This is the World Series of Bugs! This is the World Series of Bugs race number 2 here in Caliente, Nevada. It's going to be incredible. We got 14 bugs lined up. One of the biggest classes out here. It's a great family town, a great place. See you all soon.
Let's just ask them.
Warrior 1600 is up.
Roll over mile marker 6. Yeah, copy that. Looking for 2099. 2099 through 7. I mean 5 Alpha, you're going to race mile 29, is that correct? Just outside of me. You know the relay? .1087 is stuck in the ditch near the pit. We have retrieval port to go over there maybe. Have you gone through main pit already? You've gone underneath road crossing. $169, 162 through check 9. What's up? Relay copy, don't make it quick. Power go. No, I got retrieve one. This is SNORE relay. I want to make sure everybody keeps a clear frequency. We have critical traffic on the other end of the course. Stand by.
How was that downhill?
Fun.
I saw you high fiving us.
Yeah, we were moving on the big straights. Got it up to what, 75 was the top?
Yeah. Well, we had to use our MaxTRAX. We got stuck. We got past Cisco Vio, who finished first, and then we got stuck and he got back by us. So we had to pull out the MaxTRAX, got unstuck, and off we went.
It was back and forth with me and Jeremy all day. We were real close.
Now you're really in it for the $10,000, huh?
Fine. Got some points to make up, but we'll do our best.
I'm sorry.
Hey, my name is Mauro Diaz. We're for the team of Dimble Racing, coming from Iowa. Well, actually, we got a pretty good race today. We don't have no problems at all. We just had to stop and put fuel every lap because we don't have enough, big enough tank. Yeah, it's pretty nice track. I like it.